Hi everybody, welcome to ownit.ot. My name is Netta. Your hip, knee, and back recovery kits include 8 pieces. Reacher, dressing stick, sock aid, long handle shoehorn, leg lifter, long handle sponge, non-skid grip socks, and finally a storage bag with drawstring closure and a shoulder strap for transporting and organizing your items.
To use the reacher, place your index and middle finger on the trigger, push down to close the claw, and release to open. To put on pants, use the reacher to grasp the waistband of your pants. Lower the clothing to the floor and insert your leg into the leg hole using the reacher to help pull the pants up the leg. Repeat for the other leg. Once you have threaded both legs into your pant holes, safely stand up and hike the pants over your hips. You can also use the reacher to pick up items that are too low or too high. The reacher can securely hold up to 5 pounds. To use the dressing stick, place the S-hook pointed up inside the waistband of your pants. Lower the clothing to the floor, insert your foot into the leg hole, and use the stick to help you pull your pants up the rest of the way. You then repeat for the other leg. Safely stand up and hike the pants up over your hips. You may also use the dressing stick to push pants, socks, and shoes off of your feet. Use the C-hook end of the dressing stick to easily hook onto and pull up zippers. You can additionally use the C-hook end of the dressing stick to loosen shoelaces. Finally, you can bring or remove a jacket over your shoulders using the dressing stick. Place the sock aid in your lap with the open groove facing up and slide your sock onto the sock aid, pulling the sock over the device towards you. Make sure that you do not pull up any higher than the knobs. Holding onto the handle grips with both hands, lower the sock aid onto the floor, slide your foot into the sock aid, keep your legs straight with your toes pointed down, and pull up with even tension on both sides to remove the sock from the device. To use the shoehorn, wedge the shoehorn in between your heel and the back of the shoe. Slide your heel down the groove of the shoehorn to secure your foot inside the shoe, at which point you can remove the shoehorn. To use the leg lifter, place the sturdy round loop of the leg lifter around your foot while holding on to the looser hand loop at the opposite end. Use your upper body and momentum to swing the leg over a surface by pulling on the leg lifter. Using the long handle sponge, you can wash your feet, legs, back, and your underarms without bending, reaching, or twisting. The hip, knee, back recovery kit comes with a storage bag for easy organization and transportation of all of the items in the kit. Please note you can use the bag for any personal items of your choosing. There is also a drawstring closure to secure all of the items in the bag with a nice shoulder strap.